Okay, so we're going to get straight into the unboxing here of the Eskuches. Here's the back of the box. I don't know if it's any clear or not, but I'm just going to quickly read over it. On the back it says Eskuche, obsessive compulsive frequency 33.25 B. This product features custom designed single touch controller for seamless play, pause, and answer end technology. So I'm guessing it's got a mic in the cord. It's got a gold-plated 3.5mm plug for music and talk, and a gold-plated 6.3mm adapter, which comes with it. It's compatible with iPods, iPhones, DJ mixers, home stereos, and other music output devices. Plush ear cup cushioning and ultra-soft, fine, pliable headband for hours of comfort. Innovative premium woven cloth, according to prevent tangling. Wow, I'm great at reading there. Okay. And a protective headphone travel bag. Some of the audio specs on the back here are driver diameter is 40mm. Frequency response is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. And that's pretty much it. So let's get into the unboxing. This is the first time I'm opening it, by the way, so here we go. Eskuche. If I'm pronouncing that right, then don't give me crap for that. Sorry. Copyright 2009 by Eskuche Inc. Left-right sound systems, 33.25 RPM. L-right sound systems, designed in LA. Undid that. Okay, so here are the headphones. E for Eskuche. It's a shiny black polish on it. Nice comfort headphones, like it said. It's got a Eskuche on the top. I think, yeah, it's auto sizing, so when you put it on, it just fits on your head. The cord is a fabric of some sort for longer lasting, I believe. So that's that right here. Set those to the side. Okay, and then in the back we've got package contents, custom mic controller for pause, play, and answer end, 6.3mm snap-on adapter, 4-pin gold-plated 3.5mm plug, and a travel sack. Warranty and other stuff right there. Let's pull out this handy sack and our other thing. So, let's see. This is a nice bag. Quite a nice bag. It's nice fabric. It's got some weight to it. The adapter's inside of it, seems. It's a normal adapter. I've got so many of these it doesn't really matter, but here's the bag. The headphones, the adapter, paper. Yo guys, thanks again for watching. This is LJ. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe, and check out my video for my giveaway. Get all your friends to check me out. Get them to subscribe. Faster we get to 150, the faster my giveaway. Faster we get to 500, the faster I'll give away my Xbox 360 or an iPod Classic.